everyone. My name is Saurabh Singh, and today I'm here to discuss a term called artificial intelligence. So, let's get started. Firstly, we will go through its content. Firstly, its definition, early history, then current status of AI, applications, futures of AI, disadvantages and disadvantages, and then conclusion. Firstly, what is artificial intelligence? It is the study of computer system that attempt to model and apply the intelligence of human mind, a branch of computer science dealing with the simulation of intelligent behavior of computers, the capability of machine to imitate intelligent behavior. Now look at the examples. All of us are familiar with two images. Firstly is the image of Google Assistant, which is used in Android devices, and second is of iPhone Assistant known as Siri. Google Assistant, Siri, and Cortana, which is mainly used in Windows laptops, are all intelligent digital personal assistant on various platforms. They help us to find useful information when we ask for it using our voice. This assistant performs the actions like making a call, opening gallery, play a song, emails, and even translation. Now, early stages of AI. In 1950, English mathematician Alan Turing wrote a landmark paper titled Computing Machinery and Intelligence that asked the question, can machine think? Further work came out of a 1956 workshop at Dartmouth sponsored by John McCarthy. In the proposal for that workshop, he coined the phrase a study of artificial intelligence. And then there is a rise of artificial intelligence. Now we will discuss about the current scenario, current status of artificial intelligence. AI has taken many shapes and forms over recent years. For example, our mobile phones, our video game characters, GPS, voice recognition, and robotics. The best example of describing current scenario of artificial intelligence is Sophia. Sophia. Hanson Robotics' most advanced human-like robot, Sophia, is the future of AI. As a unique combination of science, engineering, and artistry, Sophia is simultaneously a human-crafted science fiction character depicting the future of AI and robotics, and a platform for advanced robotic and AI research. She is the world's first robot citizen and the first robot innovation ambassador for the United Nations Development Programme. She has been used for research as a part of Living AI project, which seeks to understand how robots can adapt to users and needs through and interpersonal development. Then applications of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence has various applications in today's society. It is becoming essential for today's time because it can solve complex problems with an efficient way in multiple industries such as healthcare, entertainment, finance, education, etc. AI is making our daily life more comfortable and fast. And here I am also providing a link which sees how the AI is applicable in every field of life. There is a picture which we can easily see that AI is applicable in every field of life. For example, gaming, astronomy, healthcare, transport, agriculture, education, e-commerce, entertainment, robotics, automotive, social media, data security. Now let's talk about future of AI. More says artificial intelligence area are going to be hugely important in the near future. Transportation, self-driving vehicles, unmanned aircrafts, autopilot in planes, and in manufacturing, AI-powered robots work alongside humans to perform a limited range of tasks like assembly, stacking, and predictive analysis. Sensors keep equipment running smoothly. Healthcare, diseases can be quickly and accurately diagnosed. Drug recovery is speed up and streamlined. Virtual nursing assistants monitoring patient and big data analysis help to create a more personalized patient experience. Education, textbooks are digitized with the help of AI. Early stage virtual tutors assist human structure and facial analysis gauges the emotion of student to help determine who's struggling or bored or better tailor the experience. Media, journalism is harnessing AI too and will continue to benefit from it. Bloomberg uses cyborg technology to make quick sense of complex financial reports. And then customer servicing. Last but hardly, Google is working on an AI assistant that can to make appointments the system understand context and nuance. And let's talk about its advantages and disadvantages. Firstly, we will go through the pros. Its precision and accuracy. AI is very precise and accurate. Secondly, space exploration. Third, used for mining process and can do laborious tasks, fraud detection, manage records, lacking the emotional side, can do repetitive tasks, risk reduction, diagnosis and treatment. Now we get through its cons. Cost and repair, not able to act different, lack the human touch, lack the creative mind, lack common sense, unemployment, human may become dependent on machine, abilities of human may diminish. Finally, we can say that the artificial intelligence is a intelligence of machine that aims to create it. Artificial textbook defines the term as the study and design of intelligent agents, where an intelligent agent is a system that perceives its environment and take action that maximize the chance of its success. John McCarthy, who coined the term in 1955, defined it as the science and engineering of making intelligent machines. And here I'm also providing the links where we can also learn AI basics, learning about Sophia applications and future of AI. And in the last, I would thank you to all. Stay home and stay safe.